Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming on my YouTube channel, which is new some. I hope you had all a terrific weekend and you all safe. And now that a lot of people, Americans, are working from home. A lot of us, most of us, and for the past nearly 3 months, they all have been producing more household waste. And the more need of getting rid of waste results in more cost. So Waste Management Company has about 18.3 million residential customers across US and Canada. And the company employs around 17,000 drivers in United States and Canada. Devina Rankin, who is the Senior Vice President and the Chief Financial Officer at Waste Management Company, which is based in Houston, Texas, she wants to impose towns and cities with more fee in order to pick up trash and recycle. Since the start of the coronavirus pandemic lockdown orders in the US, the waste of residential areas weight has actually gone up by 15 to 25%. And in the first quarter, the higher capacity in industrial and commercial businesses went down by 16% when compared a year earlier from now. Meaning, such a significant drop in industrial and commercial trash has shrunk Waste Management's revenue by about $40 million in the first quarter. So Ms. Rankin said that we need to have conversations about the level of service we are required to provide because it is different than what we signed up for. So what usually happens is that Waste Management and other trash collection service companies, they usually have a multi-year contract with cities, towns, or districts for collecting trash and recycle. So the price paid stays the same even if there's more waste generated. But the difference now is Waste Management's trucks are now making more frequent trips to pick up residential waste and then to dispose, bring it to our landfill or sorting facility. And that's what's causing disposal costs to rise because of the increased amount of waste. And according to Ms. Rankin, she expects those higher costs to continue even as businesses and offices resume to reopen. Now, back in 2018, China had ban on waste imports, and that caused recyclable materials prices to globally lower. And because of the reduced prices, like for plastic and paper, cardboard, and metal, all of this disrupted the waste collection companies. So Ms. Rankin said that now, since the pandemic, the U.S. demand is huge for recycled paper and cardboard in order to make things such as toilet paper and packaging. So the company Waste Management is selling their recycled materials 80 to 85% domestically. Since the 2018 China ban, the company has been effectively charged higher fees for some cities and towns and will continue to do more of that. And they do look forward to price increasing talks with municipalities as more people will continue to work from home, even though once the global crisis has ended. The company has cut down costs by cutting overtime for their hourly employees in terms of the decline in commercial waste. Other waste companies have cut down additional services such as yard collections, also in order to bring down costs. Yes, guys, thank you so much for hearing me. I hope you enjoyed today's article.